Hi, myself Nancy, and today we are going to learn partying conversation part 1. Basically, this conversation video is between two persons. Before starting the video, I have one request for all my viewers. Watch the video till the end. I hope whatever your doubts, queries may be crystal clear, means शीशे की तरह sharp. Here, partying means saying goodbye. So let's start with conversation A. So let's start conversation A. Basically, you can see here it is written as 1 and as 2. Here S1 means first person and S2 means second person. So basically here conversation is between two persons. First, second, again first, second. It will go on like this till the end. So let's see with an example, or let's learn with an example. Conversation A. First person is saying, well, I have an appointment now. Second person is saying, I am in quite a hurry too. Again first person is telling, good to see you. Goodbye. Second person is replying, goodbye. Take care of yourself. Conversation B. First person, I guess I did better go now. Second person, I have got to be going now too. First person, in that case, I will be seeing you. Second person, so long. See you later. Conversation C. First person, it's getting late and I have to go now. Second person, we are sorry you have to leave. First person, please excuse me, won't you? Second person is replying, certainly, come back soon. Conversation D. First person, I am glad to have meet you. Second person, thank you. It was nice to have seen you. First person, I hope we can get together again. Second person, yes, I will be looking forward to it. Last but not the least, conversation E. First person, I think I have to leave now. Second person, must you go so soon? First person, I am afraid I really have to. Second person, well, it was fun to get together again. Here is some information for all my viewers. If you want to learn more basic English, then you can follow to my first channel, Nancy Juliana, and also you can follow me on Instagram. The link is given below. Go and check it. If this video is really helpful to you, then subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon also, so that whenever I upload a new video, you may be notified. Thanks for watching the video. So take care of yourself and bye-bye.